welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. I'm your host, Mikey. The letter that we're going to do today is the title of this video. It's only going to be in right-handed format for this because I've been told that if you flip the video camera for the left-handed version, the letters will appear backwards for my left-handed audience. So to not upset anybody, it will not be available in left-handed. Also, in the video description, I linked the playlist where all the letters will exist. They will be provided in time, but I also put one video on how to sew the appliques to the project without going through. So if you want to add personalization of a name and not ruin your project, you can do it that way as well. So I will leave that in your hands, and without further ado, let's get started. That's kitty.
Let's begin the letter O as an octopus using 4.5mm size G crochet hook with Caron 1 pound. Let's begin with our slip knot, and we need to chain a total of 17, and we can count those out together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Let's slip stitch to the first join, slip stitch to the first to create the join. Okay, so we're going to slip. And now let's begin round number 1. Nice and easy. We don't have to chain 1 to start, but we're just going to place 1 single crochet into each one of the chains going all the way around. You don't really need to count, I don't feel. And then when you get all the way back around, you're just going to make sure it doesn't have a weird twist in any way, and you're just going to slip stitch to the beginning. You'll use that tail as your securing tail to sew it down to your project, and then the other tail you'll want to weave in your ends. Okay, so there's your O, and the other tail, which is your starting tail, you want to put it through a tapestry needle. And favoring the back of the O, just stay on the back side. And you want to weave it through the project a total of 3 times. And then it will get stuck even more once you sew it down. And there is the letter O.